We are going to talk about the ultimate summer beauty guide from head to lashes and nails. Let's start with our hair. The Kiss Colors Care Wig and Weave collection. It is a one-stop shop for a flawless and protective wig install. Available at Walmart.com and Walmart stores. The pricing is about $8.99 to $18.99. First up is the Super Stay Freezing Spray. It gives you maximum hold to secure your hair and lace applications every single day. Next is the Lace Bond Adhesive Spray. It's extreme hold through humidity, and it's also sweat resistant, so it's good for keeping your hair in place until your next wash. The last one is the Ultimate. It delivers maximum hold for your more dense wigs. Now, moving on to lashes. It is all about the big and fabulous lash all year round, and the Kiss the Muses collection is amazing. It's actually inspired by royal core, you know, European royalty, and the aesthetic is elegant, it's soft, it's fluffy, it's featherweight. It actually gives you a luxurious look. They have this corseted weave pattern that's on there, and each lash is handmade with refined faux silk fibers. And they also have this layered finish, and the band is very pliable and comfortable on the eye as well. It's perfect for any summer occasion. They are $7.99 and they're available at Ulta and Walgreens. Couldn't leave you without talking about the nails. The Kiss Jelly Fantasy Nails collection. And it's ready to wear. The nails are translucent. The jelly nail is so trendy right now, but it's also giving you ombre, it's giving rhinestones and flowers. And it's very simple with the glue-on application that lasts up until 7 days. They are $8.99 and they're available at retailers like Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, Ulta, and KissUSA.com.